థండర్ ఏ రకంగా ఒక మెరుపు వస్తే అక్కడ ఒక ఎనర్జీ, శక్తి, లైటింగ్ వస్తుందో, థండర్ వచ్చిన ప్రతి చోట కూడా అదే వెలుగు, అదే శక్తి, అదే ఎనర్జీ రావాలన్నది. అందుకనే when we looked at those statistics, right? One charger for every how many number of cars? 200 cars. Then we thought, how can we solve this problem? How is it that we can go back and beat the numbers of, say, US, which is running at 1:20, and China, which is running at 1:10? That's where we thought, why don't we convert every wall into a charging station? Why don't we convert every electric pole into charging station? Why don't we convert every home, every residential building, every commercial building, every hotel, every school into a charging station? And that's when we looked at the problems that are hindering in setting up such charging stations. The first one is cost. Charging station, లక్షల్లో పని, 2 లక్షలు, 3 లక్షలు, 5 లక్షలు, 10 లక్షలు. How much should I invest? Problem number 1. Problem number 2, technical capabilities. Oh, what will happen? Electric vehicles are burning on the roads. And if I have charging station at my home, that will burn. Third one, what about money? Will I ever get money by investing so much? So that's where we solved all those problems one by one. ఇవన్నీ ఎందుకు చెప్తున్నాను అంటే, it is all our responsibility to listen, to understand, and to evangelize these things across the country so that people are benefited and EV ecosystem is benefited. So that's when we launched a product called Thunder Light at a cost less than $150, అనగా ఇంచుమించు 12,000 to 14,000 US dollars INR. And we removed all the anxiety and complexity of technical installation. It is as good as installing a telephone. STD booth netla chusamo, same like that. And then we said, we will also drive business. How do we drive the business? We just heard 1,000 electric vehicles are running on the platform of PQ. Imagine we say, Mr. Prashant, I have so many number of charging points at different houses, different, I would say, tea stalls, different hotels. Whenever your person waits to have a chai, he can actually charge his vehicle. So that is how we are trying to beat that 1:200 kind of a bad statistics and make every place an EV charging point. So at this point of time, let me welcome Mr. Prashant Reddy, who is the founder CEO of PQ, to share his thoughts on this auspicious occasion. Shall we all clap and welcome him?